Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you want to use your secondary laptop as monitor. So this is the perfect video for you. So first, make sure your both the laptops are connected to the same network through LAN or Wi-Fi. Don't use hotspot because you might face a slowness or lag in that. So connect it to LAN or Wi-Fi in the same network, and then what you have to do one by one we will tell you. Follow the steps and let me know if you're facing any issue. So first you have to do some settings on your secondary laptop. So let's see how you can do that. So once open setting, then click on a system, then you have to scroll a little bit, and then you will see some options over here that project to this PC. So you have to click on this option, and inside that we'll have some few more option. So as you can see, my laptop is pretty old, because of that this red message is coming here. So below that there is a line. If I click on this, then my this secondary laptop is ready to project. And now we are on our primary laptop, first laptop. So here we have to open settings again. There is a shortcut that also I'll tell you, but let's see. In settings, where is that option? Click on search and search wireless display. Over here we have a connect option. So if you click on this, then this window will come. And if you want to do the shortcut, then press window plus K, then this window will come and it will show all the available wireless networks. So you have to select the primary wireless network, and you will see a pop-up, or you might display directly. But if you see the pop-up on the secondary laptop, click on OK. So it will project. And now our laptop is ready to project. You can see, and if you want, you can maximize the window in the secondary laptop. Now I can use or multitask using this laptop. I can do streaming, I can do video editing with browsing. And if you press window plus K, you will see extend, duplicate, or secondary monitor only, all those options. So you can check all those options also. So if you have any doubt, comment below, we will reply to all the comments. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.